Welcome to the graduation of my grandson, Lucas Daniel Nagle. The sky was blue, the sun was out, and the kids were all dressed in their caps and gowns. It was a very bittersweet day for them. They were happy to be moving on to high school, but sad to be leaving. Lucas made many friends in school. This is his friend David. It's hard to get boys to pose, but they were happy to do so. The backboard lit up with 2026, the year they graduated. There he is. There's Lucas. We caught a glimpse of him up on the bleachers. Well, Lucas, time goes by so fast, and before you know it, we'll be celebrating your high school graduation. So study hard, do well, and like I always say, the best is yet to come. Love you, Grandma. Toodles!